It's time for you to start your next online income, but all of them are not equal. So in this video, let's go over the 6 best online incomes that you can get started on. Okay, and the first online income is going to be a web design business, and it's not that hard to get started with. All you have to do is come over to Elementor, or you can use Divi, and this is drag and drop store builders. As you can see right there, it's very simple. You don't have to use any JavaScript or anything like back in the day. You can easily make a website, and it take you around a week just to learn the skills, and it take you around probably 2 to 3 hours to make a website that costs anywhere from $300 to $500. So this can be a great online income once you get started with it. Or if you don't want to do the website yourself, you can come over to Upwork.com, search in the search bar web developer, and what will come up is different web designers slash developers for you, and it'll probably cost you around $100 for them to create the website. But if you're selling the website for $400 to $500, you just made a $200 to $400 profit, so that still works out in your favor. And to get your customers, all you have to do is come over to Google and just search up businesses near me, and what it'll come up is just a lot of different businesses that come up around you, and you can go to their website, go check out different businesses websites around you, and you can look throughout their website of businesses near you and see if they have a good website or a bad one. If it's a bad one like this one, no offense to them, you can hit them up and be like, hey, I can make your website more attractive for customers. As you can see, like in this image right here is too big and it's too blurry. As you can see, this is a blurry image as well, and they have 2 logos up here, and it's a lot that can be done on their website, and their about us should be at the bottom of the page, not as soon as it come up. So this is a great way to get customers for your business. You can do the same with social media too. You can go to the search bar and search up different businesses near you as well, or just any business in general, and see if they need a web designer or anything of the sort for their website as well. So social media and Google businesses near you are 2 great ways to get customers for your web design business. Okay, and the second online income that you can start is becoming a blogger. You can easily become a blogger by going to medium.com. Medium.com is a great place to start a blog because they get millions of different visitors to their website each month, so you don't have to go out and get that traffic yourself. As you can see, it say publish, grow, and earn all in one place, and they have popular people on here. As you can see, Barack Obama makes a great blog on here if you want to ever read them as well, and they have other people right here as well. So it's a great place to get started, and your blog is completely free to get started with it. Or if you want to do your own website, you can come over to namehero.com and get your own domain and web hosting as well. It doesn't cost that much. As you can see, it's $4.48, but at the end it'll probably cost you around $30 to $40 to start up a blog for a website, so you can get your own traffic and get your own customers to your blog or whatever you're trying to do. These are 2 great ways that you can start up a blog. Here's an example of one of mine. It's called trophybetting.com. It has a lot of different blogs on here, as you can see, in different categories. It's all about sheets, silk sheets, linen sheets, benefits of sheets. And I have blogs right here. This is my featured blog of the week and my other blogs on here. So this is my website right here. This isn't for medium.com. This is my actual website. So I went the website route because I just like websites better, and you can do the same as well. Okay, now third online income that you can get started on is Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest is an amazing platform not many people know about, and that's a benefit to you because there's going to be less competition to you. Pinterest honestly is my favorite social media platform to promote products on, because more people come to Pinterest to save pins and buy stuff for later on. You know, when people on like Instagram or Facebook or anything of the sort, they're not on there to buy something, so you have to get them in a buyer mood. You know, they're just on there to scroll. But when people come to Pinterest, they come to buy stuff usually. And let's search something up: coffee mugs. If we search up coffee mugs, let's type that in, click it, a whole bunch of different coffee mugs come up. Let's say we clicked on one, and this was your coffee mug right here. You can read about your coffee mug. You give a little description right here, a picture right here, and as you can see, they have a website. You can visit the website. Once you click visit the website, your product will come up. So you can do this for Amazon. Let's say you sign up for Amazon affiliate marketing, found different like coffee mugs on here as well, and got the link. Once you sign up for Amazon affiliates and put in a link, and you'll take them to Amazon, where you will get a commission for giving them the link to the product. So once they buy it, you'll get a split commission from the sale. Okay, and our fourth online income is going to be for you gamers, and that is Kick Streaming. Kick Streaming is a new streaming service that's in direct competition to Twitch, and it's brand new. It just got started in, I believe, October 2022. So hop on a wagon while it's still new. You can still get traffic. It's the next up and coming thing. Is definitely going to be hot. I highly recommend it. They got people like Ninja already streaming on it. He just switched over from Twitch. And the plus side, it'll be easier for you to grow in here as well and make more money than, let's say, Twitch, because Twitch, they do a 50-50 cut, but with Kick streaming, they do 95-5 for when it comes to subs. So you'll keep 95% of what you earn and 100% of your donations, which is a big profit. And on top of this, once you get in their creator program, no matter if you have 1 viewer or 100,000 viewers, your pay is based on hours spent streaming. So this is a huge benefit as well. If you just getting started, you have 4 viewers and you're in creator program, and now you can earn even though you have basically no viewers. So this is a great opportunity if you want to just stream a game. Okay, and the 5th online income is going to be one of my favorites, and that is faceless social media pages. Faceless social media pages, once you, I kind of butchered that, but faceless social media pages, once you get them built up, they can definitely become a very profitable source. As you can see right here, this is one of my examples. It's in a motivational niche. I built it up to 29k followers. I just started it like 3 to 4 months ago. Sometimes it can blow up really fast, and all I do is just get different clips and I'll get captions, and that's about it. Take me like 4 to 5 minutes to do one, and I put it on 2 times a day, so it takes me like 10 minutes a day. And to get started on them, all you need to do is come over to Pexels, go down to videos, and let's say you're in the cooking niche, search up cooking, and as you can see, a bunch of different cooking clips come up, 4.4k. So you can download any of these and use them on your social media pages. So let's say you downloaded like 6 of them, and then you went over to CapCut to edit them up. Once you edit them up on CapCut, paste them all in and just change up the clip every 5 to 6 seconds. And once you do this, you can add captions to your video. I like to use Captions. It's a phone app which you can go to the store and search up captions and it come right up for you. These are the ones I use, and this right here is the final result of what I usually create. And that's pretty much all you have to do. It's a lot of ways, different ways you can earn with affiliate marketing, subscribers, sell an ebook, a digital product, or your own physical product. It's a lot of different ways that you can earn once you build up an audience for faceless social media accounts. Okay, and the 6th and final online income you can get started on is branded e-commerce stores. One of my favorites as well, because it sets you up for a long time income. And let me show you what this online income is. Okay, let me show you. All this right here, it's a part of my e-commerce business. I have my book and product right here. These 2 boxes, I get 60 of them. Then right here is my confetti, and these are my boxes right here. All of it cost me around $400 to $500, but every month, if you sell around 80 or 100 products, you can easily make 25 to 3k off of it each month. So you're getting around a $2,000 profit each month, depending on what you're selling and how many items you're selling per month. So it can definitely become a profitable online income once you get started on branded e-commerce. First, you need to find a product on like Alibaba. You can get cheap products from Alibaba in bulk. You probably have to order like 50 of them, but depending on what you get, this might cost you around $200 to $300. So it isn't that high up front. And of course, once you find your product that you want to sell, you need to get a Shopify store or whatever online store builder that you want to use. I use Shopify, and sometimes I use Big Cartel if I just want to go the free cheap route, because they're completely free to use, Big Cartel. And now you can use social media for completely free to market your products. You have the product, so you can easily make videos around the product just using one of them. And as you can see, this is my page on Pinterest. I have 617 followers and 36.9k monthly viewers, and I get a few sales just from Pinterest. You can put the same videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to be able to maximize the traffic you get. That's why I love a branded e-commerce business, because you can do all the marketing yourself and you can keep most of the profits because you don't have to worry about ads. Alright, and that right there is my 6 favorite online incomes that you can get started on as well. I hope you've seen one that you will want to start, whether it's gaming and streaming on Kick Streaming or starting your own e-commerce branded store as well. So good luck on your journey, and until next time.